Hello friends, welcome back to the video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix ARK survival evolved BattlEye launcher error or failed to start BattlEye service on PC. So if you are also coming through this error, then go through this video and follow the steps one by one. So the first method is to restart your PC or Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to use different launch options. So you need to launch the game with ARK no BattlEye anti-cheat or launch ARK DirectX 10. So for that, you simply need to click on play option and then select play ARK no BattlEye anti-cheat, or you select launch ARK DirectX 10. So check each of them, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution resolves the error you are coming across. Next is to uninstall BattlEye and launch the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, click on browse option over here, and then click on shooter game, binaries, Win64 BattlEye, and here you need to click on uninstall _ BattlEye. Select it, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then again click on yes. So this will uninstall the BattlEye. After that, go to Steam, select your game, click on play option over here, then click on play, and this will install the BattlEye once again, and you will get a notification like this to simply install the BattlEye. So after installing, now try to play the game and check if the error is resolved or not. Next solution is to set beta participation to ASC. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on betas, and from here you need to select pre-aquatica, this option, and after that try to play the game and check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, then again select none, and now try to launch the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then install files, and here click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. After the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game where it has been installed. Go to the shooter game, binaries, Win64, then here you need to find the app, select it, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and then tap on run this program as an administrator, and then hit on apply and OK. So after that, check if the error is fixed or not. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings, and here look for the game if it is listed over here. It's listed in my case, so if not, then you can add the game to the list by clicking on allow another app, then click on browse, and from here go to the folder where your game has been installed, select it to add over it, and after that from here again select, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, click on OK, and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, either you can go to Steam, select your game, and here from here you can uninstall the game, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall, or else you can go to the control panel, click on uninstall a program, and from here you can uninstall your game, select your game, right click on it, and click on uninstall. So this will uninstall the game from your PC, and after that restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam, and reinstall the game, and then try to play the game and check if this has resolved the issue you are coming across. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the error you are coming in ARK survival evolved game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.